Dennis, what's the thing that makes you different and makes you getting chosen as a leader in the team? And Dennis, if it's appropriate, can you tell any sleeping tips? Okay. I'm not sure if I'm the best person for the sleeping tips because I'm working all the time. I mean, I work around the clock to bring you guys this content. But the only good sleeping tips I know is I know that magnesium helps me. So as I said, I had some cashews last night. Cashews are full of magnesium and it definitely helped me sleep last night. And two, get the darkest room possible. I think that's super underrated where, you know, the little light that creeps in, I think affects your sleeping. At least that's been my experience. But I like to sleep like in a dark room. I prefer to have a bedroom with no windows, but you don't always find that, right? But I like to sleep in the darkest room possible. That helps me. That's all I know about sleeping, so I'm going to stop there because, you know, I like to stay in my lane and only talk about those things I know about, but I'm just giving you my observations.